Sunday afternoon in late July, we take a blanket to the park and watch the world go by. But I'm not your blue sky, and I'm not your summer rain. Reggae on the radio, we kick our shoes off in the clover and we curl our toes. But I'm not your sunburn, and I'm not your lemonade. So don't confuse me with the blossom on the trees, cotton candy and the summer breeze. Sha-la-la-la-la. Swinging through the city on the 73, we got a double-decker limousine for you and me. But I'm not your red shoes, and I'm not your pirouettes, standing on the corner waiting for your man with a heavy metal t-shirt and a beer can. But I'm not your sunset, and I'm not your cigarette. Don't confuse me with a night on the town, 'cause I look better when the sun goes down. Sha-la-la-la-la-la-la. Sha-la-la-la-la-la-la-la. I can see clearly now the rain has gone. I'm not a blanket on the clover or a reggae song, but you've got my number, and you've got my velvet jacket. But don't confuse me with the blossom on the trees, cotton candy and the summer